me, man, I love the game. I love the hustle, man. Be feeling like one of the ball playing, you know, Bird Magic or something. Yeah, you know, when the brick door, and the leave. What if I leave? The fans still gonna love me, man.
Now it's time to wake up my neighbors. So after I got this Corvette, I've pretty much become the alarm clock for the entire neighborhood. So regardless of what time they want to wake up, I pretty much am the one to decide when they should wake up. As soon as I start the Corvette, they pretty much wake up after that. So we got to make a quick stop at Advanced Auto Parts. We're gonna need 1 and 2 and 1 of these. So I got the oil, but for some reason they didn't have the oil filter. So luckily AutoZone actually had it, and it's right here. This is the exact one that's on the car right now. So we're not actually gonna go get the oil change done right now. We got an appointment at MC Whips, and we're about 33 minutes late.
Welcome to Motor City with Ronnie.
Oh man, you guys got valet service now?
Nah, my boy, this is a robbery.
Oh my god, he stole my car. All right, let's see what they got in here. Ooh, we got a white Huracan right here. Orange brakes. Look at all the carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber splitter, and then you got the carbon fiber spoiler. More carbon fiber, and I like that it's forged carbon. That's cool. And then look at the plate. 50 roll. Definitely not a car I would want to race. And then you got this beautiful F8 green Hellcat with the black hood and the orange brakes. Love the orange brakes. And then you got the tan interior, peanut butter interior. This color is so sick. Love the F8 green. You got a black Escalade here, and then you got the Defender. This thing is getting wrapped. As you can see, it's all getting taken apart because that's how they do things at MC Whips. They don't wrap around things. They pretty much take every piece of it off just so the wrap can last a very, very long time. This thing looks so good. I love the orange brakes. So I heard this thing is also not slow at all. It's a twin turbo Huracan. I think it makes like 1,400, 1,200, somewhere around there. So Martini is gonna take this out, and we're gonna know exactly 15% tint.
14, whatever.
14. Well,
the back ones are 5.
We're definitely gonna go darker than 14 or 15 or whatever. Cause I don't like light tints, because like, what's the point? Either you get it tinted or you don't. So Martin here hates me because the tint left so much glue. Look at all that glue that just came off, and that was only from up here. Look at that, more glue. Oh my God, there's a lot of glue. It's for your sandwich here, bro. Thank you, my boy.
Cheese.
You're so genuine. It literally looks like cheese. It's disgusting. What is this guy doing? Hey, brother.
Relax, bro. I'm not trying to go for a ride.
Lay down, lay down, lay down, lay down. Let's see if you can fit in here. You're like 6'3".
6'4", bro. Relax.
6'4". All right, let's see if you can fit in here. What are you doing in here, bro? Can you open it from inside? No. All right, well, you're gonna stay here. Bye. And just like that, we are all done tinting the car. Martin over here from Motor City Tints. I'll leave his Instagram right here. Be sure to follow him. Be sure to hit him up if you want your car tinted. Martin, tell us what you did.
All right. We removed all the old tint, scraped all that nasty glue off, put brand new tint, carbon ceramic, 5% everything, 20 on the windshield.
That's it.
Just gotta look at it.
Voila, it looks so much better. I went with 25 because any darker, I would pretty much not be able to see. Well, how are you gonna leave without saying bye to me, Johnny?
I'm going to the Rush Steakhouse that you're buying me dinner tonight.
Let's go.
Yeah.
On you? I mean on me?
No, on you.
On me, on me, on me.
This one's on you, bro.
On me. This one's on me.
This one's on
This
you.
one. It'll always be on me.
All right. Deal.
My baby.
This is on
It's
camera.
on camera now. I can't go back from this. Martin's still taking pictures. How many pictures you got? Let's see what we got.
Come on, bro. You got to do it for the TikToks.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna put his TikToks in the description. Be sure to follow him. Alrighty, boys. Let's get in here. Can't put the windows down. It is so dark in here. I don't even know if you guys can see me. And there's so many lights here, yet it's still dark in here. So today we only got about a couple hours to get things done before it starts to rain. And now we gotta feed the beast. So as you guys just seen, I put 93 in the car. The car is flex fuel, so it could be on 93 or E85. And the reason I put 93 in here instead of E85 because this car is plenty fast on 93. So there's a few ways I could make this car a lot faster. Number one, put it on E85. Number two, I could pulley down and make more boost, and I'm not gonna do neither of those right now. Obviously, maybe if I race like a really fast car, then I might put E85. But as far as pulleying down, I'm not gonna do that. I'm okay with the boost level this car is at right now because it's like really fast. I don't need to go any faster. Now it's time to get an oil change. And here's the oil that the tuner recommended, Valvoline Racing Oil VR1 20W50. And as I showed you earlier, I got this K&N filter that the tuner recommended as well. Now we're gonna get the oil in there.
Oh yeah.
And boom, we got 100% oil life. Look what I ran into, a Demon with a manufacturing plate, and it has welds all around. That is so odd. As you can see, they took off the Demon stickers. Dodge has got to be testing something out. There's no way a Demon should be on the road with a manufacturing plate and it has Weld Racing wheels and Mickey Thompson tires. Like, what? And also, the Demon badges have been taken off. So that's very suspicious. So here's the methanol we need. Now, the only problem is, where do we put this thing? Because the Corvette is super tiny. I mean, the only place I could think of is maybe the passenger seat, but I don't know if that will ruin the leather, but I mean, we got no choice. So I ended up putting it like this so this doesn't damage the seats. And then here's what we got. We got M1 from VP Racing. And now I'm gonna strap the seatbelt in. Boom. And for those who are wondering, yes, the car runs on methanol, so every time I go to do a pull, the meth kicks in. And this light right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna try to get my phone here to shine some light on it. I don't know if you guys can see it now. So that right there, every time I go to do a pull, when the meth kicks in, this thing shines red. And that light will only come on if I do a pull. So the car will not use any methanol if I'm not doing a pull. So if I ever race the car or just do a random pull for you guys, then the meth will kick in and that light will come on. But if I just drive throughout the day and do some city driving, the methanol will not be used. So we made a quick stop at my boy Ronnie's house, and this is his TRX. He took delivery of it about 2 months ago. I made a whole video on it, and he recently just got a new intake from AFE Power. So it's like a double intake. So you got one on this side and you got one on this side, and then look at that right there. And this wasn't a cheap intake. It was $850. That's pretty expensive. Ooh. Rev it. You can definitely hear it. It does make the whine a lot louder. He's actually gonna let me take it out on a drive and see how it sounds from inside. So we're in the TRX right now. I'm gonna put it in sport mode, and we may do a launch here. We got the radar on, so I'm gonna do a launch here. So let's try to do like, I don't know, 1500. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Boom, 60. How do we know how fast we just went?
I gotta figure this out.
It's probably here.
Right.
You could do it here.
Here we go.
All right, he could do it there. What is the last one?
Gauges.
No, timers.
Sorry. Come on, he's slow.
What was that last one?
3.9.
Where?
Right there, best.
So the fastest time that the owner of this TRX got was 4.3, and I told him it's capable of getting at least a 3.9, and he didn't believe me. First try, while spinning, this thing got a 3.9. So we're back in the Z06 yet again, and we're heading to my buddy's house right now to get an oil change for my ProCharger. And here's the oil for the ProCharger. I literally bought it from ProCharger, which is the company that makes the ProCharger. And well, we already got an oil change for the car. Now the ProCharger needs an oil change for itself. And the way to do it is usually drain the oil from the bottom of the ProCharger. And well, in the Corvette, you don't really have much room for it. You have to take it off. But I met Jerry, and he has this machine right here that sucks up the oil. And as you can see, the oil is all coming out. Look at that. You can see that traveling through the tube. Boom. Look at that. This is a good workout.
Hell yeah.
Oh man, I am so glad it's working. So there's 4 ounces in here, and that's all it's gonna take. In the ProCharger, we pretty much sucked out all the oil from before I bought the car, and now we're gonna put fresh oil. So it has this, so it just makes it a lot easier to just put in. All right, and just like that, we're gonna fill it up. It should take all 4 ounces because I called ProCharger and they told me it takes about 4 ounces of oil. And just like that, it took the entire bottle. And now we're gonna put that back in there. Should we like check the oil as well?
Yeah, we can. It's right up to the full.
Boom, we're good. So we're gonna put it back, and then you pretty much just screw that piece back in, and we're pretty much done. And we also took the air filter for the ProCharger. I mean, it's black, disgusting, damaged. This thing was probably red at some point, so we probably need a new one. So I'm really hoping Advanced Auto Parts has it. So unfortunately, Advanced Auto did not have it. The one I looked online was a little different from the one I got here, so I'm gonna try to keep looking online. So I finally found the exact air filter online, and now I'm gonna order it, and I should probably have it on by the next video. So we put this one back on the car for now until the new one comes in. So with that being said, we have finally made it to the end of today's video. We did so much in today's video that I don't even remember what we did. I literally started this video 3 days ago, and I'm finally gonna end it here. So we still got a lot more to do with this car. So leave your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. It's very much appreciated. I love what you guys got to say. I love the constructive criticism. I love all the ideas you guys give me. I love it all. So leave it in the comments below. Also, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.